Hello, my name is Vince. Welcome to Ham Shack Reviews. Today I'm going to go over selling on Qrz and Qth. Like most hams, we have equipment we want to sell, or there's a piece of equipment we want to try and we don't want to pay the full new price for it, so we buy it used. So here's two platforms that are made for hams, and they work good for hams when we want to sell something. The first one is Qrz.com. Now what we're going to want to do is log in and go to Swap Meet and Ham Radio Gear for Sale. Click that. Then up here we're going to post a new thread. This is where you type in the name of the radio you're selling. Then you could write about it here. What's wrong with it? Anything good? Anything bad? Is it in mint condition? I normally leave my email address, or I write contact via Qrz email. Then here you write tags. Tag is like a keyword about the radio. Like if you're selling Yaesu 991A, you'd write in Yaesu 991A, 991A, FT991A, Yaesu product, Yaesu radio, things that will get you found. Then right here you want to upload a photo. When dealing with photos, you want to take clean, clear photos that show the object well. If the radio you're selling has an LCD screen or another TFT display, make sure you display that well in the photo. Then you want to click watch this thread so you can stay abreast of what's going on. And then here you could click if you want to receive emails. I leave it blank because I normally write it up here. Then you can click create thread and your ad will be live in a few minutes. Then when dealing with Qth, you can click over to Qth, and this one actually gives you a section on how to place an ad. Now Qth also lets you place more than one image, I believe. So take a few pictures. Get the sides, the back, the bottom, the top if there's any scratches. Write the exact condition of the radio so there's no surprises when the buyer gets it. You're going to want to click place ad. Scroll down. These are some of the rules. You can read over them. I already have, so I'm just skipping past to show you how to do this. They have an intention check here, which is the number typically transmitted by hams at the end of the QSL. Well, that's 73. Unless you're talking to your wife, it would be 88. Then you pick your category you want. You title it, the radio, model, and that. Here you get 1,000 characters to write about the radio. Again, give the exact condition. You're going to put your first and last name here. They'd get that anyway with your call sign, so it's not like it's anything to worry about. Choose a password. Now, I choose the password every time the same because it's easy for me to remember, and when you want to go back and cancel the ad, you got to find the listing number from the ad and this password to cancel it. Then phone number. If you don't want to put your phone, you just put email only. Then you can put an email address. This is a choice if you want to subscribe to their classifieds. I normally don't, but I look at them daily anyway. If you have a ham-related website, you could put it here for a backlink. And then you add your picture to your ad. Now, if I remember, you can add more than one, so take several pictures. Then you hit enter listing now, and it says to be patient. So I guess it takes them a little time to upload it. I've sold a lot of stuff this way, and I bought a few things this way. Well, more than a few things, and I haven't been burnt. But then I use PayPal. Use PayPal, and you always use buyer protection. Never fall for that friends and family thing. Sending checks, they can keep your money. Money orders, they can keep your money. PayPal may cost a little bit more. I often offer to split it with the buyer so it's not too hard on either one of us, and we're both protected. You get something that's broken, that buyer protection is going to get your money back. Hopefully this can get you started on your way to selling your gear and getting new gear. Good luck with this, and subscribe to my videos, like and share. Thank you. 73.